Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add an accessory on snake.io. First of all, launch the snake.io application on your device and make sure that you are connected to the internet, as some accessories may require online access. On the main home screen, look for the Edit Snake button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Inside the Snakes tab, look for Accessories at the top and tap on it as well. Now inside the Accessories tab, you can scroll through the accessories you can purchase. Select the accessory you want for your snake and you can unlock the accessory through coins or diamonds. Tap on the one that you'd like for your snake and click on the green button at the bottom to unlock it. It is showing me that I'm gonna have to spend 50 coins to unlock this accessory here. So let me tap on the green button and you can see that my snake has now added a new accessory on him. So that is how you can buy an accessory or equip an accessory for your snake. Some accessories may need to be unlocked with coins, gems, or by completing achievements. Follow through the prompts to unlock them safely without any problem. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.